Three ways to type at symbol in your laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The first step is very simple. What you will have to do is type, press Shift plus 2 together. So when you press Shift and 2 together, you will get the at symbol. The next way is go to insert and then go to symbols or special characters. After that, you will find it over here like this. And the next or the last step you can also do is simply go to a preferred browser and then type at symbol. Now you will find several. Simply select the symbol and then copy it. Now paste it over here. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.